The Xiaomi 14T Pro is one of the most powerful camera phones within its price range of 2,599 ringgit. And with this, you're getting the Leica Summilux lenses as well as the Light Fusion 900 image sensor. What's great is also you get a massive aperture of f1.62, making it amazing for low light photography. With this, you're getting 5 focal lengths across 3 different lenses, giving you a focal range effectively from 15mm all the way up to 120mm, which is pretty impressive. All of that with authentic Leica imagery, which basically means this might be the go-to camera for low light photography, which is why we're here in the streets of KL to take some low light cinematic shots. Let's talk about the hardware for the camera on here. You've got 3 physical cameras. The main camera sensor is a Leica 50 megapixel sensor, giving you 23mm of focal length. Next up, you have a telephoto 60mm lens, also Leica, giving you 50 megapixel of resolution. Lastly, you've got a 15mm ultra-wide camera lens, which is 12 megapixels, also a Leica camera. Starting with the main camera. With this, you're getting a 50 megapixel 23mm f1.6 OIS camera, which has Light Fusion 900 image sensor. It comes with dual native ISO Fusion Max technology, because of which you're getting a dynamic range of 13.57 EV. But what does all of that mean? It means you're getting really good low light sensitivity and details, which is very hard to achieve, especially on camera sensors on smartphones. With this, you can also take single frame HDRs, which is a combination of multiple exposures into one, but this is capable of doing it with just one shot, which also gives you a massive dynamic range, especially when you're shooting raw photos. Shots taken from this camera look excellent with perfect exposure, contrast, and colors. Keep in mind, this gives you 36% more light intake compared to previous models. The wider aperture also allows you for getting much more of that natural bokeh when you're taking your shots, and also results in less blurry shots because of a faster shutter speed. The processing on these actually looks really good, especially considering that these are low light shots. But then again, that's all thanks to the Leica imagery. With all these cameras, you're getting authentic Leica imaging. This includes 2 photographic styles, Authentic and Vibrant. Here's a quick TLDR. Authentic gives you high contrast, rich tones, lower brightness, looks like a Leica camera shot it, very cinematic. While Vibrant gives you brighter overall images, slightly increased color saturation, and stronger HDR. Based on your preference, both look really good. I personally love the Leica Authentic look because it looks more cinematic, and that's more to my liking. Second up, we have Leica filters. This allows you to get some really stylized Leica filters on your phone, eliminating the need for any kind of editing or even presets. The 12 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide camera also has some improvements in low light captures, and the shots taken with it have applied low light image processing, resulting in great and consistent shots. Majority of the shots I've taken are with the focal range of 46mm to 120mm because I really do love the compression I get from the telephoto portraits. This, combined with the low light enabled hardware with the Leica imaging system, the processing really gives you shots which basically rival DSLR or mirrorless cameras. You've also got master lens system, which gives you some preset looks and effects such as 35mm documentary lens, 50mm swirly bokeh lens, 75mm portrait lens, and lastly 90mm soft portrait lens. All in all, I think the Xiaomi 14T Pro is offering you a lot more than you're paying for it, especially at this price point. This is an incredibly versatile camera, giving you the perfect combination of both hardware and software, making it a great photography smartphone for both enthusiasts and even professionals to carry out a powerhouse in their pocket. Now, that was just the camera stuff. There's a whole lot of AI stuff that I didn't cover in this video, but let's save that for another one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.